Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to design a Facebook post in Canva quickly and easily. We will choose a template, edit the text, add an image or logo, and then adjust the design. And once you are done, tap share, select download, and save the post so that you can upload it to Facebook. So first, I want you to open your browser and go to canva.com. Log into your account or create one if you are a new user. And once you reach the Canva homepage, click custom design, then type Facebook post in the search box. Select the Facebook post option, and then Canva will automatically open the correct design size. Next, scroll through the templates on the left side and click the one that you want to use. And once it appears on the page, click any text that you want to change, then type your own title, message, or details. You can also use the options at the top to change the font, text size, and color. So to change the design colors, click the part you want to edit, then select the color option at the top and choose a new color. So continue adjusting the design until it matches the style that you want. After that, click Uploads on the left side, then select Upload Files, and then choose your photo or logo from your computer and wait for it to upload. Click or drag the image onto the design, then resize and move it to the correct position. So before downloading, check that all the text is correct and easy to read, and make sure the image and other design elements are placed properly. And if you make a mistake, simply click the undo button. And then once everything looks good, click share in the top right corner and select download. Choose the available image format, then click download again. Your Facebook post will now be saved and ready to upload. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.